across a little piece today, a little hand operated pedestal drill. It works. You turn the handle, rotates, and goes up and down. And how it works is, it'll just, till there's pressure applied, you see that it's like a clutch mechanism inside. So what it actually does, you just turn and turn and turn, there's no effort, no force going down. As soon as you want to drill down, again it'll move on its own, but to put pressure there's nothing there. So if you put this onto a piece of wood, you'll see what I mean. So that will just turn and turn and turn, how they make them out. But if you want to drill, all we do is you either use a lock screw at the side, or you can just, with a delicate hand operation, try and do this the other way around. You just hold the, you can see now, it's like a clutch. What it actually does, it puts pressure down to actually drill. See that? A bit awkward doing it the wrong way around. It's a bit like a slipping clutch, you can just control it. Just get a nice fine feed on your drill bit. There we go. It's the same on the way up, just crank it back, up it comes. You've got height adjustment on the back, just up and down, and that's it. Simple little hand operated drill for any delicate fine work you might have. So I just thought I'd show you that. It's a nice little piece. Just interesting. My dad did a bit of a paint job on it, giving me something to do during the lockdown and so on. Just cleaned it up. But yeah, it's nice little piece. Just thought I'd just show you. If you have any information, we don't even have a name on it, to be honest. So if you have any information, please bob it in the comments below. Until next time, YouTubers, if you don't mind liking and subscribing to the channel, that'll be fantastic, and it'll be right.